Hey, Sean, how are you, sir? Hey, I wanted to get this screencast out to you about your cleaning service in Sheffield. And wanted to make sure here. So, this is your website, and I pulled up your three top competitors, but wanted to take a look at everything here for you first. I like how you have it laid out. Good to have a video there, your picture. So, here's the thing I'm going to talk about three things today. We're going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing is definitely, excuse me, is content. You, my friend, have more than most any other company. So Google likes to see 1,500 plus words on a secure website. That helps it to rank. Content really is king. So I did a word count, my friend, and this is actually your competition. You have 1,800 words on your homepage, which is really good. Obviously, over 1,500. So great job on having a lot of content here on the homepage. You've got testimonials, you've got pictures, you've got reviews. So really good job on that. The second thing is backlinks. So talk about backlinks, but let's just take a look real quick here. I pulled up the competition. So the companies that are in the top three positions for carpet cleaning Sheffield is first Sheffield Clean and Dry.co.uk. Here's the interesting thing that I found, and it's kind of unusual. I don't see this very often. They actually have more content than you do. They're pushing 3,000 words, my friend. That's the main reason they're in the number one position. Okay, so that's the number one position. Number two is Pro Clean Services. Okay, under carpet cleaning in particular, they have different services, carpet cleaning being one of them. And again, they have a ton of content, about 2,500 words. Number three position, just so you know, Fresh and Clean Sheffield. Okay, they're in the third position. And I didn't do a word count on them. It looks to me like they've got about 1,200 maybe, something like that. So wanted to do that rundown for you because your site is really close to ranking with these. So I have a tool here, and we'll take a back look at backlinks. I have a tool that I can put websites into called Ahrefs. And if you're curious, you can get a complimentary membership a couple weeks on this if you wanted to play with it. But this is how your website currently is represented. And so just a quick look here, the 29 you are, this is your popularity on Google. This is the website strength. The DR is a 5. So this is really good that you have a 29 here. We need to raise up the strength of the website. So right now you have 384 backlinks that are qualifying you for 72 organic keywords. And you can see this +7 here and this +2. Those are what you have gained in backlinks and organic keywords in the last 30 days. Okay, and the traffic value, organic traffic value, is $46. So we'll talk a little bit about that, but let's look at the competition comparatively. So in the number one position here, believe it or not, Clean and Dry Sheffield, they actually have less backlinks, but they have 620 organic keywords, and they have all of that content. So that's why they're in the number one position here. Number two position, same tool, 282 backlinks and 194 keywords. Okay, so more backlinks, less keywords. You have more backlinks, less keywords. And so then if we go to Pro Clean Sheffield, 282 backlinks, 194 keywords. And then the last one here, here's your opportunity. Fresh and Clean Sheffield, look at how quickly they drop down between 2 and 3. So 16 DR, their website rating isn't even to a 1, it's 0.6. They only have 34 backlinks and 96 organic keywords. So here's the thing, my friend. You have more backlinks and just a few less organic keywords. So you have a prime opportunity here to capture the position here between 2 and 3 in the organic search on Google. So if I do carpet cleaning, make sure I've got that right here too. Need another F in there. There's the one of the way I wanted to show you. So you're in the number 2 position in the map pack, my friend. So great job on that. So you establish yourself a GMB, a Google My Business account. Keep this up, keep this optimized and rocking because you're in the number 2 position. That's a powerful place to be, buddy. Okay, this is going to get you found right here. What we can do then is you can apply these techniques. So you need to add relevant backlinks, and then also citations. So actually this GMB right here, this is your best and original citation. So the name of your business, the address, and your phone number, those are NAP, name, address, phone number. That is your citation for your business. So we need to build more citations outside. So that can be in a directory, it can be in a blog, something like that. And then the backlinks here, if we take a look at the competitors' backlinks just real quick, Clean and Dry Sheffield, we click on their backlinks, you can see where these are at. Yell.com, Home and Garden Listings, Touch Local, Thompson Local, quite a few in there, Thompson Local. These are all backlinks to their website from other website. Looks like most of theirs are Thompson Local here. Okay. So you can go in and grab these backlinks and duplicate them and link them to your site. And then they'll start showing within 30 days for you here. Okay. One of the things that I found was between 2 and 3, you just need to add some organic keywords and powerful backlinks, and you can bring this up to in the 2 to 3 position. We can also help you do that if you like. Hopefully this helps. So content, backlinks, citations. You need to double the number of words in content, believe it or not. You need to add at least another 50 to 100 backlinks that are relevant, and then crank out a couple hundred citations. You'll be in the number 2 or 3 position here within 60 days. So hope that helps, my friend. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we can talk more. Thanks.